I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing. Go.
Bienvenue à la classe de français. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre la forme, les couleurs, les expressions pour décrire un objet. Hello, lovely. How are you doing? Welcome to another interesting class. Today, I'm going to be teaching you colors in French language and a few shapes in French language and some expressions to use when describing an object. Okay? Okay, now let's look at it. We have les couleurs en français. Les couleurs en français. Okay, the first one is colors are adjective. Like adjective, most colors agree with the noun they modify. Okay, but in French, colors fall into three groups. We have a color having four forms, which is the masculine and the feminine, singular and plural. Okay, then colors having two forms, which is what? They are the singular and the plural. Okay, then we also have the invariable colors. With that one is just having one form only. Is that clear? Okay, we have a bleu. Bleu, we have the masculine and the feminine. Bleu without E is what? Masculine. Then bleu with the E is what? Feminine. Okay, bleu. Bleu. Okay, le bleu. Then the next color is rouge. Rouge, 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 which is what? Red color. Rouge, which is what? Red color. That's color red. So this one is the word invariable color. It's just this one has nothing to do with the masculine or the feminine. Okay, good. Then we also have marron. Marron. Either you call it marron or you call it brown. Okay? Marron simply means what color? Brown. Okay? Marron simply means what color? Brown color. Is that clear? Très bien. Then another color is called rose. Rose. Color rose is what? Pink. What is color pink called in French language? Rose. Is that clear? Très bien. Let's move forward. Here is another interesting color. We have noir. Noir feminine and noir masculine. Okay? Then we also have vert. Vert masculine and vert feminine. Vert, that's the masculine. Vert, feminine. Okay? Then the purple is what? Violet. Violet. Violet, that's the masculine. Then violet. Violet, that's the feminine. Is that clear? Très bien. Now, let's name the colors again. Noir, vert, vert, violet, violet. Okay, très bien. Now, let's move to the next colors. We have gray, yellow, and orange. Now, what are these colors called in French language? The gray is called gris. That's the masculine. Then the feminine is gris. I take it again. The gray is pronounced as what? Gris. Like the S is what? Silent. Then the feminine is what? Gris. 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 Then let's take a look at yellow. What is yellow called in French? Jaune. Jaune. Then orange is called orange. 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 Très bien. Okay. Interesting. Here we have color white. Now, what's color white called in French language? Color white is called blanc. Blanc. Not blanc. It's not pronounced as what? Blanc. It's pronounced as what? Blanc. Blanc. But when it's feminine, it's pronounced as blanche. When it's feminine, it's pronounced as what? Blanche. Is that clear? Très bien. Okay, now let's take a look at how shapes are being pronounced in French language. We are going to be learning just 4 shapes in French language with colors. Okay, the first one, here comes the shapes. We have les formes. Les formes. What are shapes called in French language? Les formes. Okay, now we have a triangle. Triangle is pronounced as what? Triangulaire. Triangulaire. Now, here is the sentence. Here is the sentence I made here. Triangle rouge et bleu. Triangle bleu et bleu. Triangle rouge et bleu. Okay? Which is what? Red triangles. Red triangle and a blue triangle. Is that clear? Triangle rouge et bleu triangle. Okay, the next one is carré. Carré orange et noir. Carré orange et noir. Which is what? Orange square and what? Black square. Orange square and black square. Now, how is it pronounced in French language? Carré orange et noir. Carré orange et noir. Très bien. Now, the next one is, voilà, sec, noir et blanc. Sec, noir et blanc. Sec, noir et blanc. If you don't want to call it sec, you can call it ronde. 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 C'est clair? Très bien. Now, the next thing I have here, look at all the forms. We have les différents formes. Carré, ronde, rectangulaire, triangulaire, oval. Can I repeat? I said they are called what? Carré, ronde, rectangulaire, triangulaire, or oval. All these are what? Shapes. So when you hear the word la forme, simply know that la forme means what? Shape. Okay? But when you hear les différents formes, it means what? Different shapes. Is that clear? Okay, now, like I said before, I said that we have some expressions to use. Here, I'm using color here. I said la voiture rouge est plus grande que les motos. La voiture rouge est plus grande que les motos. Which means the red car is bigger than the motorcycles. The red car is what? Bigger than the motorcycles. Okay, the use of color is here. La voiture rouge est plus grande que les motos. The red car is bigger than the motorcycles. Okay, now let's look at what next we have. John est plus grand que Pearl. John est plus grand que Pearl. Which means John is what? Taller than Peter. John is taller than Peter. Is that clear? Très bien. Okay, the next one is l'olive noire est plus gros que la pomme jaune. L'olive noire est plus gros que la pomme jaune. Which means the black book is bigger than the yellow apple. The black book is bigger than the yellow apple. All these, you will find them in your textbook. Okay? Then we also have le sac bleu est plus gros que l'olive noire. Le sac bleu est plus gros que l'olive noire. The blue bag is bigger than the black book. Is that clear? Très bien. Now, I have few sentences for you with shape. Une table rectangulaire, un tableau rectangulaire, un livre ronde, une gomme carrée, une chaise triangulaire. I take it again. Une table rectangulaire, un tableau rectangulaire, un livre ronde, une gomme carrée, une chaise triangulaire. What do I mean by une table rectangulaire? Une table rectangulaire simply means what? A rectangular table. Then un tableau rectangulaire simply means what? A rectangular board. That's a rectangular board. Then un livre ronde, that is a round book. Okay, a round book. Then un gomme carrière, that's a square eraser. A square eraser. Then une chaise triangulaire, that's a triangular chair. Is that clear? I believe with the help of these few sentences, you can be able to what? To give me few sentences. And you can also check more from your textbook. Is that clear? Remember the colors. We have rouge, noir, vert, rose, blanche, violet, and so on. Is that clear? Then why the shapes are what? Carré, rectangulaire, triangulaire, ronde, oval. C'est clair? Très bien. Merci. Ça c'est fini. À la prochaine fois, on va continuer avec les expressions. Au revoir la classe et à bientôt. Merci.